What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got POCO M5 smartphone with us. We are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the device inside, its design, features, highlighted specs and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. So here we got POCO M5 branding. Since there is no mention of the 5G, this is a 4G capable smartphone, and here you can see that there is no information provided regarding the hardware specs of the device because this is a special review unit. So the sticker usually we get on this part showing the IMI number. The specs configuration of the device is not available on the retail box of our POCO M5. So let's open it and let's see what we got inside. So here we got a SIM card tray, ejector pin, some quick start guide, user manuals, warranty card, etc. A silicon TPU back panel case. There is a screen protector provided separately in the retail box of POCO M5. The POCO M5 in black color. Here we got a USB Type-C cable and a 22.5 watt charger, and that's all we got. So these are the content we got inside the retail box of POCO M5: the smartphone, a screen protector, USB Type-C cable, a 22.5 watt charger, a silicon case for the back panel, SIM card tray, ejector pin, and some quick start guide, user manuals, etc. So here we got some information regarding the hardware specs of POCO M5, that it comes with MediaTek Helio G99 processor that is based on 6 nanometer architecture and build process. We got 50 megapixel AI triple camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. It comes with 90 Hz full HD plus display with dynamic switch technology, and the screen is protected by Corner Gorilla Glass. It's not mentioned that which version of Gorilla Glass is used on the display of POCO M5, and it comes with 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging. And this is quite interesting because in the retail box of POCO M5 it comes with a 22.5 watt charger, even though it supports only up to 18 watt fast charging. POCO M5 in black color. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the first time, let me tell you about few other specs of the device that it comes with in two configuration based on storage and memory: 4GB RAM with either 64GB or 128GB storage, or 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. I'm not sure which version we got, we will have a look on it very quickly. And it comes with a 6.58 inch full HD plus display. It's running on MIUI 13. So I'm going to go through the setup process, and after that we will have a detailed look on our POCO M5 smartphone here. And here we go. So the setup is done and our POCO M5 is ready. And as you can see, there is NFC logo at the top of the screen, so the device comes with NFC as well. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. On the front side we got a 6.58 inch display with full HD plus resolution and 20:9 aspect ratio. We got a bit of bezels on the sides. We also got a bit of chin at the bottom that is a bit thicker compared to side bezels, and the thickness of top bezel is equal to the side bezels. It comes with a teardrop notch where you will find 5 megapixel front facing camera. Right above it there is the earpiece. At the top we got 3.5 mm jack, the IR blaster. At the bottom we got speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone. On the right hand side we got the volume rockers and the fingerprint sensor embedded within the power button. And as you can see that the power button does not come with a ridge or notch on the frame, so there is a probability that you will keep touching the fingerprint sensor even when you do not want to touch it if you are not using the provided silicon TPU case. The POCO M5 comes with Corner Gorilla Glass, and as I mentioned earlier, POCO officially does not provide the information that which version of Gorilla Glass is used on POCO M5. The back of the POCO M5 is very similar to the POCO M4 5G. Both of them look exactly same. The only difference is that on POCO M5 We got triple rear camera setup while we got dual cameras on POCO M4 5G, and another difference is in terms of texture on the back panel. So like many other POCO smartphones, we got huge POCO branding, a huge camera island consisting of the triple rear camera setup, but the back panel of POCO M5 is quite unique, especially considering its price segment, as it comes with a fox leather textured back panel that looks quite premium and beautiful. The back panel is pretty flat and slightly curved at the edges, while the front of the device is totally flat. Same goes with the frame as well. The frame is made of plastic, and once again, POCO officially does not provide any information whether we got any kind of IP certification or waterproofing, so I will consider there is no ingress protection provided on this device, so better to keep it away from water resources. It is 8.9 mm in thickness and it weighs 201 grams. Still, it does not feel bulky in hand, and you will be able to use the device with one hand without facing any issue. Now talking about the display, we got a 6.58 inch Full HD display with 20:9 aspect ratio, 90Hz dynamic refresh rate, 240Hz touch sampling rate, and the device is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and the brightness can go as high as 500 nits. So the display is quite sharp and the viewing angles are great, especially considering its price segment. The colors are punchy and you won't feel any pixelation while using the POCO M5. The maximum brightness is good enough to use the device in indoors. We will see how good it will be in bright sunny outdoors. The touchscreen sensitivity is also quite nice, and at 90 Hz the screen is very smooth. The only thing is that the screen is a bit on the calmer side, and if you have a look on the white display, it looks a bit bluish, but you can go to the color scheme section under the display setting of POCO M5, and then you can change the color temperature based on your preference to get the best viewing experience on POCO M5. Talking about the hardware specs, the POCO M5 we got comes with 128GB storage and 6GB RAM, and then we got 2GB virtual RAM as well. Out of 128GB, 23.4GB is preoccupied, so you will get around 104GB free. If you want, you can also use the provided microSD card slot to expand the storage up to 1TB. POCO M5 comes with MediaTek Helio G99 processor. We got Mali G57 MC2 GPU, so the device is quite better compared to other smartphones in this price segment, and that's why POCO is promoting this device as a budget gaming smartphone. It does not come with shoulder triggers or high-end cooling systems like flagship gaming smartphones, but considering the hardware we got on POCO M5 and its price segment, it's going to perform better compared to other smartphones for sure when it comes to gaming. And it also comes with the Game Turbo 5.0 that you can use to improve your gaming experience, and it also comes with the support for MediaTek Hyper Engine 2.0 Lite. So the gaming experience on POCO M5 is expected to be a good one, but we will see how it is going to be in our detailed gaming review of the device that's going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when that video is live. Now talking about the software side, POCO M5 comes with MIUI 13, Android 12, and as we already know, the MIUI 13 of Xiaomi is very feature rich, as it comes with lots of settings and options that you can use to improve your productivity on this device. We will talk about them in our later videos, but here I'm just going to give you a quick glance at how many options and settings we got on our POCO M5 here. On the home screen, this is the default content you will get. So you can see that it comes with a set of Google application. We got some MIUI apps like Gallery, Cleaner, Mi Video, Mi Music, File Manager. Under the tools you will find lots of useful applications, and you can see that it comes with Mi Remote as well, because the POCO M5 comes with an IR blaster that you can use to control your home appliances. And then we got Google Assistant, Notes, Mi Browser. Under More Apps you will find lots of bloatwares. The same goes with games as well, but the good part is that if you want to delete any of these bloatware, then you can easily do this on POCO M5. So this is a good thing, that POCO is not forcing you to have all of these bloatware third-party applications if you do not want to use them on your POCO M5. The user interface is quite smooth, as you can see, and at 90 Hz refresh rate it's looking quite beautiful and smooth as well while navigating between the options. Now talking about the camera, we got 5 megapixel front facing camera and a triple camera setup on the back panel that includes a 50 megapixel primary camera with face detection, autofocus, 2 megapixel macro camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. Personally, I would prefer to remove the depth sensor and the macro camera, and instead of that, it would be great if POCO could provide a dedicated telephoto lens or an ultra wide angle lens. If you launch the camera application, this is the user interface you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode, video mode, document, portrait, night mode. We got 50 megapixel imaging, short video clips recording, panorama, slow motion, time lapse. And if you go to the photo mode, you can see that it comes with HDR and you can use the auto HDR option as well. If you go to the video, here we can see that it comes with only 1080p resolution video recording at 30 fps. So there is no possibility to record 60 fps videos or 4K videos. In the portrait mode, you can just adjust the bokeh and there is no option provided to use the beautification while using the portrait mode on POCO M5 camera. So these are the options and settings we got on our POCO M5 here. We will see how good the camera performance is going to be in our detailed review of the device, but right now I'm just giving you a quick glance, a brief idea about the features and options we got on the camera of POCO M5. So overall, POCO M5 is looking a pretty solid and powerful smartphone in its price segment because of the MediaTek Helio G99 processor and Mali G57 GPU along with 6GB RAM, 90Hz refresh rate, Full HD plus resolution display and a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt charging. The design and build quality is also quite nice as it comes with Carbon Gorilla Glass protection on the display. We got a bit of bezels. Considering the price segment of the device, it is still acceptable. The Fox leather back panel is beautiful, premium, and it feels good while holding the device as well. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. Many more videos of POCO M5 are going to be uploaded very soon on this channel. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.